My name is Adelaide Redmann. I'm the maker of Moonlight on YouTube, and I have 2 more songs. Technically it's 1, and technically it's 2, because I'm going to sing you a lullaby I made and a song that I made off of that. I am in my pajamas right now. Please follow me. I'm not going to play the piano, I'm just going to sit down, because we've done this already like 5 times. This is the lullaby. Flying higher than ever, help me find my wings. Birds fly as the sun sets, help me find my wings. Birds rest for the busy day ahead as the sun sets. So must I, so I say good night. That was the lullaby. Now I'm going to, I'll be playing with all my toys. Now I'm going to sing you the song that I wanted to sing to you in the beginning. Flying higher than ever before, help me find my wings to soar. Birds fly as the sun sets, help me find my wings to fly. Soar at night, oh yeah, 'cause birds rest for the busy day ahead as the sun sets. Help me find wings to fly, soaring sky every night. Birds fly, birds rest, busy day ahead. Songs getting stuck in my head as the sun sets. I say good night to you. Good night. That was the song. Thank you.
Excellent. Bravo, brava, brava.